Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with Google News, and this is not like every other person is doing it on YouTube. I've seen a lot of video why people will show you how to make money on Google News. You go to Google News, then copy the article, start your own blog and put it there, something like that. But in this video I'm going to show you something different. Okay, if you're just joining my channel for the first time, my name is Sean Digital. I show people how to make money online, and people are really replicating the same method. All right guys, so if you're yet to subscribe on this channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So I'm gonna play this video for you to see. All right, so this video you just watched now is a video from Google article that I turn into video, and I want to show you the same step by step on how to do the same thing and start making money with Google News on YouTube. All right, let's go into it. So first thing, you're gonna go to Google. All right, so go to Google. So once you're in Google like this, you're going to search for Google News. So once you search for Google News, then you're going to see topic a lot like that, economy, market. But I'm going to go ahead and use this latest one under business. Okay, and this is the news we're going to be using, just posted 4 hours ago, because it's still hot. So I'm going to use that news. So what I want to do is to click on the news. Once I click on it right here, I'm just going to click on it right here. Once I click on it, it opens another tab for me like this, and I'm going to have the news like this. All right, once I have the news, the next thing I want to do, I want to go ahead and copy the URL. I know a lot of people will tell you, copy all the articles here, then go to article spinner, turn it to rewrite the article and blah blah blah. You go to start your own article and put it there. So but that's not what I'm doing in this video. Now I'm going to click on this and copy the URL of this article. Once I copy the URL, then I'm going to head on to this website, and I will show you something in a brief. Now in this website here, it's called Lumen 5. All right, Lumen 5. This is Lumen 5. And okay, once you're in Lumen 5 like this, all you just need to do is make sure you sign up your account with them. All right, so I'm just going to refresh my Lumen 5. All right, when you sign up your account with them, it's free to sign up and it's very easy to sign up with them. So once you have account, then the next thing you want to do is what I want to show you right now. So the next thing you want to do is to click on new video while we're waiting for this one to come up. So we're going to click on new video. Once you click on new video, then you are going to do the next steps. Guys, I want you to watch this video from beginning to end so that you will not miss it. So click on new video. Once you click on that, then it's going to pop up another thing for you, and right now we are going to be pasting that URL that we've copied. All right, so that's what we want to do. We have two options: either we paste the URL or we paste the whole article. So but the URL is faster. All right, so that's what we're going to do. Now we're going to choose the template we want to use. All right, we're going to choose the template. So what we want to do now is to pick one template. So I'm just going to go with this one, rectangular, and I'm going to use, and I'm going to click on this one that says use template. Then right here, I'm going to select this one that say transform your text into video with AI script composer. So I'm going to click on that. So when you do that, the next thing you want to do here, we have two options. Is either you you copy all the article and paste it here, or you copy the URL and paste it here. Now we've copied the URL, let's paste it right in where we have the URL option. So we're going to paste the URL. Once we paste the URL, then the next thing we want to do is to click on this button that say import. All right, so we're going to click on the import button that you are going to see on this other side. All right, so we're going to click on it. All right, so once you click on the import, it's going to show you something like this, and then you're going to go ahead with it. It's going to ask you to import your article. It's importing your article, so just hold for it. So once you hold on for it, it's going to pop up and bring all the articles. So I want you to relax and enjoy the video, right? Okay, so now when you import, this is the article. Now one thing you need to do here that I want to do real quick is you are going to copy the title, which is going to be your video title. Then I'm going to remove just one or two things here. Now what I want to remove is just this one that says Frederick Brown Getty image. So I'm going to remove this one. I don't need it in the video, so I'm just going to remove that. All right, right, so once I remove that, then we are good to go. Then the next thing we want to do right now is to make sure you go ahead and click on this button down below that says, we have two buttons down below here. One says skip and use all sentences, another one say continue with AI. So we're gonna click on the one that say skip, which is this first one, skip and use all sentences. That's one we're gonna click on right now. So once you click on it, then the next thing you want to do is going to show, so it's going to help you to import all the scenes, and it's going to look like this. All right, so once you have all the scene like this, you have all the scenes, then you need to go ahead and publish. So we need to go ahead and publish it. So we're going to click this publish button right here. All right, you can also preview if you want to do so, but we just want to publish right here. So I'm going to click on that publish button. Now guys, if you've gotten value so far, kindly give this video a like. I will really appreciate that. Thank you. So you're going to see something like say publishing. So it's working on the video for us. It's publishing the video, so we're going to wait for it. All right, so it's coming up, so we're just going to wait for it. All right, so loading. So it's just coming up. All right, so here you can preview it, and here is the download button. So we're still waiting for it. So once you have something like this, then the next thing is that you play it to review it, but if you don't want to, you can do that if you don't want to. So let's post it. Then the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and just click on this button, download button right here. So click on download again, then we allow the download. All right, so now that we're done with our video, or video is set, then there's not something you actually want to check if the video is fine or if you need to remove anything at all. So we just want to wait for the video to download, then I will come back. Right now that we have the video, so what we need to do is to play the video. All right, so I'm going to click on open to check the video out. So play. All right, so we want to remove this part that say lumen 5 and all. We just want to remove. So what we need to do right now is to go to our editing app. So I'm using CapCut. So CapCut is my editing app, and this is CapCut. All right, so once I'm in my CapCut like this, I am going to click on new project. So I'm going to click on new project. So once I click on new project, then I'm going to import the video. So it's going to ask me to pick the video. This is the video. Once I click on the video, then click on add. Once I click on add, then we are good to go with something like this. And then first thing I want to do, I like my video to be very loud, so I'm going to just make sure I increase the volume. All right, so we increase the volume. Then okay, then I'll go to the last part. I want to remove this thing first. I want to remove this what's it called, this CapCut stuff. I'm gonna click on the last part and just go ahead and click delete. So I need to delete that, so I'll click on it, then click delete. Now that I've deleted that, I need to delete this part, this lumen 5. So all this part, I don't even need it. This ET stuff, I need to remove this ET. So from here, I'm just going to split it. Click on split. Once I click on split, this is split, right? Once I click on split, it's going to split that part. So I'm just going to select the part that I want to delete, which is this part. Then I'm going to hit the delete button right here. Here is the delete button. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. So now that we have the video, we can play it again. I just want to fast forward it, you know. right now that we have the video, what we need to do right now is to click on this button here to save the video, and we are good to go. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to show me something like that is exporting the video. So I'm going to allow it to export the video, and once it exports the video, then you can go on your YouTube channel, then upload the video on the YouTube channel and use that title, same title. While doing this, you are going to make money with Google News, because a lot of people are going to be searching for that title, and your video is going to come up, and once your video comes up, you are going to make money. All right, now we've come to the end of this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And please give this video a like, and I will appreciate it so much. Give this, and if you have any question, go to this comment section and drop your comments, and I would like to answer all your comments. See you in my next video.